So the question I ask myself is, what is my intent out of this interaction? And that's the one thing I remember when I'm going up in the elevator into a workshop, when I'm about to pick up the phone, when I'm about to write an email. What is my intent in this interaction? And that then goes, be curious, Kim. You're the extractor of information. You know, these things that you're summarizing, that's what I probably get to, which then goes, oh yeah, cool. Okay, not the expert, I'm seeking information, and it just helps me with that. So a lot of the language that you've already heard in the videos that we're gonna get, like you're already there, you know, curious, these kinds of things, we're just gonna say them over and over, because it's actually like a streamlined thing of how you should exist. And there's only like a couple of things that you have to do. And if you watch any of our other videos in YouTube, I'm always like, what's the goal? What's the current state? How do we close the gap? You know, so the things are like, it's a process, it's a system. And this is one system around the mindset stuff, is if you can just remember and start building the habit of, I'm about to do X, what is my intent with this? That's the one action you need to remember, and that will pause you, get you out of auto mode, and then present whatever it is that you need for that.